what will be the final status code when you try to insert a record? Or what final status code? What will be the status code when you try to insert a record with the primary key already present in KSDS file?
0.
Just think of primary key already present.
22.
1, 0.
23, sir. All duplicate memory.
Duplicate means what is a
22 sir,
22.
duplicate.
22
not
is that.
found.
23 means what?
Not found.
Not found.
10 means
22 sir.
10 means
Record end of
file is reached. You'll be getting 10 when you're doing sequential processing. You'll be getting 23 when you're doing random processing. Okay, in reading you'll be getting 10 and 23 based on which processing you're doing, and in writing you'll be getting 22. Initialize the verb I didn't teach. So you can write initialize keyword. Okay, initialize the key command in Cobol. So what it does, usually initialize is used against a group structure. If you initialize a structure, what it does, it initialize all alphanumeric variable to spaces. It initialize all numeric variable to zeros. It don't touch filler values. Okay, it doesn't touch filler values. The answer is all of the above. So initialize a command. For example, I'll just show you. So here we are having a structure, right? WSEMP record. It has alphanumeric and number. So what you can do, see in procedure division, you can write initialize anywhere. Initialize first. If you write initialize keyword, any group variable, you can write initialize against a subgroup variable, elementary variable also. But we never use it. We initialize a group variable. If you initialize group variable, what it does, it initializes all alphanumeric and alphabetic to spaces, number to zeros. And if you have filler, it doesn't touch filler. And filler can have value also. Okay, filler can have value. And remember, you can see dots in your program, right? To avoid dots, you have to give value spaces on here. So hereafter, for filler, you give value spaces. This is to avoid the dot. Tomorrow morning I will tell you what is a dot. So initialize command is used widely in projects. We initialize the group variable because data should be clean before loading data. You understanding? What, Riraj? You understanding or not? You are going to write something. I'm asking you to write in a piece of paper.
yes.
And okay, and in a piece of paper, you already had your do you have any younger brother, sister,
Yes sir.
mischievous? If that younger brother or sister,
Brother sir.
younger brother is mischievous, and in your notebook he has written everything in pencil, but that is your classwork. What do you do?
Going to erase it.
Erase it, right?
Yes sir.
So initialize, erase it. Initialize cleans the data in storage, and then we can populate data properly. So the cleaning is done in the open para. Okay, in projects, open para is called as initialize para, or it could be housekeeping para. We used to call as housekeeping. Housekeeping means first we'll make sure we initialize all the variables in working storage section, and then we start writing program. You can start writing using the structure. And apart from that, we can initialize using value class also in the working storage itself, instead of initializing through a command in procedure division. Let's look at this. Can occurs class be at 0-1 level? I didn't tell you, but you can guess. Can occurs class be at 0-1 level? I think I have to pick people. People are sleeping. Lakshmana?
Don't know,
Can.
sir.
What?
Please, sir, don't know.
Don't know. Kalyani? Can occurs class be at 0-1 level? Just try.
No sir.
Kiran says no.
No, sir.
I haven't written occurs class in 01. I wrote in, so occurs class cannot be in 01. Answer is no. For a binary search, what is the search command specified?
Search.
This one is easy. Okay, if you want to rewrite a record in a file, which is the input mode, open mode?
IO mode.
Input mode.
IO.
IO.
Okay, when you pass variables to a called program, how do you receive? Using linkage section, using class in procedure division, using class.
Yes, sir.
Both either A or B. Using linkage section or
In linkage.
A and B, sir.
okay, to be both A and B. Follow context is correct, but question is not correct. Okay, question is not correct. When you move 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 to a variable B with picture class 9 of 3, what will be stored in B?
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. Is it correct? I don't think so.
1, 2.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4 will be.
Some are saying 1, 1, 2, which is correct.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Answer is 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's going to start from right hand side onwards. Okay, that's good. When you add or change a field in, okay, I didn't teach copybook. We'll be using copybooks for project. Okay, I'll teach copybook. Just note down. Okay, tomorrow we'll all the leftover copybook I have to teach reports and then usage class. Okay, when A equal to 50.1, B equal to 10, if you divide A by B giving C remainder B, what will be the value of B? Remainder spelling is correct.
5, sir.
Remainder. C is quotient, right? Value of D.
0.4.
So I think it's answer is
Option D. Option D.
probably option D, but still question is not clear because we don't have picture class of D. Okay, in an inline perform varying I from 1 by 1 until I equal to 10. How many times loop will execute? 10, 11, 9,
10 times.
infinity.
10 times.
10 times.
10 times.
When you move a value 0, 0, 0, 45.99 to edit picture class ZZZ 4Z9.99 plus, what will be the final value?
45.99 plus.
Which one? A, B, C or D?
C.
C, D. Option D.
Sir, C.
Some are saying D. Which is correct?
C, sir.
We are adding
C.
See, if you give plus as a edit picture class, it is going to show plus for positive, minus for negative. If you give minus here, it is going to show blank for positive and minus for negative. So answer is, which is right answer?
C.
Option C. That is plus symbol. 3 zeros should be masked by space because there are 3Z, 4Z here. Value will never change. Here the answer is incorrect. We have done this many times and still you are giving incorrect answer.
The answer is 9, sir.
Why did you say 10? Everyone is saying 10. We all discussed, if it is greater than value, it is going to be number of times. The number given here. Greater than equal to number of the value minus 1. Is equal to again value minus 1. So answer is what? Not 10, it's going to be 9.
9.
But this one.
So 7.
WA picture 9 of 4 B99 value 222 2 to 3.75. 77 is a picture class, okay? It is equivalent to 0. And
Sir, any difference for 71 or 01?
77 can be used for defining elementary numeric item. 01 also can be used. There's no difference. And nowadays we are not using 77. We are using 011. So there is no difference. I mean, actually, in fact, there is one slight difference. Just hold on. Okay, just let's go ahead. 01 WA, pick 9 of 4 B99, 222 3.75, 01 WB, ZZ 9.99, value 123.45. If you execute a command, move WA to WB, what will be the value of WB after the move statement?
D.
D for
D, sir. 3.9.
D.
So some people are saying D. What is the right answer?
D.
D only, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Confident? Shall we ask computer whether it is correct or not? Computer says what, Niraj? What computer is going to say?
Sir, D, sir.
So D is the right answer. See, don't worry about what value it is present here. When you move, it is going to move integer to integer, decimal to decimal. 0.75 will come and store here. Okay, and 2223, it will try to store in 3 digits. Since you have only 3 digits, this 2 will never get stored. Answer is 223.75. If you execute the verb, if A equal to, this is just a beginning. Okay, if A equal to, it defined, inspect A by B, replacing all space by underscore. What will A will contain after the inspect command is executed? It's an easy one.
Option C, sir.
Option
Space, it will give.
C, sir.
C. Space is going to replace by. Okay. When you execute the string, unstring command, Mary had a little lamb delimited by $. Into WSA. What WSA will contain?
Same. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Option A, sir.
Tarun says A. Anybody is going to support Mary? C. Niraj, at least you. What about others? Naveen,
No, sir.
Manikanta? Answer is A. Because this delimiter is not present, so the entire string will be moving into WSA. Okay. If I give space, then what is the answer?
Option C, Mary. sir.
Mary is the answer, not Mary.
Mary.
Mary is different meaning. Okay, in order to provide maximum virtual memory to a step, which parameter is coded? I think we have already seen this. Region equal to 49.
0
0M.
0M.
0.
G.
Means
D,
any number of
sir.
megabytes. I think I have a very tough questions for MCQ. In a subprogram, can you redefine a 0-1 variable? Yes or no? Answer is yes. Can redefine anything. In a subprogram, the variables received from a calling program are defined in which section?
Linkage section.
Section.
Linkage section. That's good.
D, sir.
Can conditional names have picture class or not? Conditional name means 88 variables.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. Yes, yes.
Yes,
No,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No.
Niraj said yes, so the answer should be yes. What Niraj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Most.
But there are opposition for Niraj. But what is the
Only
answer?
pick.
It should have only values. It should not have picture class. Conditional name cannot have picture class. No separate storage. It's just a value. So this one I just tell you. Consider A pick x of 3 and B picture 9 of 3. Your statement is coded as move A to B. What will happen? Value of A gets moved to B. Compilation error, none of the above. SOC 7 abandoned during runtime.
B.
Picking the odd one.
Sir, option B.
No value.
Can you move alphanumeric to numeric? Is it a valid move?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what is going to be the problem?
Compilation error.
Compilation.
It's syntax error. So compilation error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you'll be having similar questions on Thursday morning. Okay. A level 77 can start in any area A or B. True or false?
False, sir.
False.
What is the right answer? Area
Area A.
level 77 and 01 should be area A.
Area A.
70 is not required. Each of the following combinations of edit characters can appear in the same picture class except for. You understood the question? Each of the following combination of edit character can appear in the same picture class except for.
CR.
I think yeah.
Dollar and CR can come together.
A.
It can come together.
I think yes, sir.
A is not the right answer.
For D, sir.
Answer is. So, yeah, the computer. Last computer G. We'll ask, before asking computer, we'll ask Niroj.
Yes, sir. Actually, I am also not sure that.
Then we have to ask a program, sir. Create one program
Then I
like
have to
this.
ask the computer. Computer G says the last one is incorrect. See, and this document is little difficult. Okay, the questions in this document are little difficult. That's why I'm going through this. Can you tell me why it is not correct? Why we cannot have all this?
Minus and crore cannot be nonetheless, sir.
Yes, it's not crore. CR credit
Credit.
because negative means credit. Okay, you understand negative or
Sir, minus means stand for the sign only, na?
that's right. But usually instead of minus we are giving as CR or DB.
Oh, sorry, sir. Yes.
So minus and
Before
CR
DB,
cannot come together. Either minus or CR will be together. Okay, a record can be described using which of these level numbers? A record 01 to 49. I mean a group variable. Record means like employee record 1 to 49 and 77. 1 to 49. All odd numbers from 1 to 49. All even numbers from 1 to 49.
Yes.
Sir, D, sir.
1 to 40.
Option A, sir. Only option A.
Option yes.
The option is B. 1 to 49 is used for describing any group. We are not going to use 77. Special level numbers like 66, 77, 88. So I didn't teach 66. Probably I will see where it's produced. Because
7 is
it's never
only
used.
numeric, na, sir.
See 1 to 49. So 66, 77, 88 is never used as a part of group variable. 88 can be used as a conditional name. Okay. Indicate which one of the following is an invalid paragraph name. The
C,
paragraph
sir.
name. C. A paragraph name can be anything, but if it has a command, then it will fail. It's a little tough question. Answer is B. Because it has a plus, right?
Yes.
Hyphen is allowed. in paragraph, you would have seen 100 hyphen exits. So it doesn't think it as a minus, but if you give plus, it thinks it's a calculation, and it will try. The compiler will think it's a command, and it will say command cannot be in area A, it should be in area B. That's why this is an invalid paragraph name. A little tricky. Okay, which one of the following is incorrect? Okay, it's a little tough. Which one is incorrect in the following? Okay, which one is incorrect in the following? If A is greater than B, go to para A. If C is not positive, go to para C. If D is not alphanumeric, go to para D. If E equal to 3 or 4, go to para valid. Para valid is a paragraph name. So go to the command. Okay, you have to write like this. Then will you understand much better. Which is incorrect? This you can easily guess.
Option C, sir.
Why?
There is no alphanumeric, no, sir.
That's good. We don't have a keyword called alphanumeric, so this line is incorrect. So this is incorrect because there is nothing called alphanumeric. We have alphabetic numeric. The occurs class cannot be specified for 0, 1, and 77. True. That's can index be manipulated using add and set verbs? Yes. No means only set. Index means we use the search command, right? Index table.
Yes.
That indexed by that keyword. That keyword, where did you use?
No, only search.
That's right.
No.
For example, we used index. Add 1 to month index will not work. Okay, month index will not work. Instead, you have to use set month index to 1. So this is correct. So this is incorrect.
Can we
this
use
is
move, sir?
we cannot move this move. Only set is used. See, this is a little tricky. Perform, not very tricky. Perform para 1, varying sub from 1 by 1 until sub equal to 10. Paragraph para 1 display sub B. How many times para 1 will get executed?
9 times.
9 times. This is already a C.
None of this.
What about now?
10 times.
10 times.
But it's not 10 times. Answer is C.
9 times.
Because picture of 9.
Only one
Okay,
digit.
only 1 byte. So you should be very careful, okay? Is it possible to redefine a field with x of 7 to x of 10? I told this, but the answer is true. But it's never done. What is the result of the following? Variable 1 is defined as picture 9 of 7. Move ports 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to var 1.
Compilation errors.
That's good. We discussed in the morning. We cannot move alphanumeric to numeric. It's an invalid. So this one you will just try. How many bytes of storage are required to hold msal? Msal means this group variable. Okay, how many bytes of storage? Actually, this is a two-dimension table. So this is a two-dimension table. Okay, we have two workers class. Okay, I'll just explain something little bit. For example, assume your employee file, employees details. WS employee table. Good evening, Ari. Occurs say 25 times. So we are loading emp id pick x of 6. So emp id, emp name, emp date, okay, some date, okay, some date and salary. Suppose you're creating a table like this, okay. So is the salary going to be same for next 10 years?
No, sir.
Or do you wish? No one wishes. The salary is going to change every year, right? That is the standard of software industry. So every year they change salary, sometimes every 6 months also. So what we all do, salary should be we can have one more dimension. M salary occurs say 20 times. Then 15 M YYM pick x of 4 and 15 M salary pick x of say 9 of 10. So this will be the proper table. Okay, here, so the root table is having 25 times, and we have a sub table. Okay, it's called 2-dimension table. We have two occurs class. Okay, we'll have 2-dimension table. So here emp id of 1 is what? Okay, let's assume emp id of 1 is first occurrence, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Emp id of 1 is first occurrence. Emp name of 1 is first occurrence. How do you refer this? So we are having for example, the first table, emp id of 1, emp name of 1, and emp salary of 1. Sorry, it's a mistake. Emp sal of 1. So this is first table. But if you want to refer to this field, how do you refer? Can you guys guess? It's like a matrix.
Emp sal of 1, 1.
M sal of, you got it, tell me.
1, 1.
1, 1, that's good. M 1, 1, M salary of 1, 2, 1, 3, and so on. So one emp id of 1, M name of 1, salary of 1, and we are going to have 1, 1, 2, and so on. For example, but we never use this, but still, id, name, I'll just write the field alone, YYMM, salary. Suppose this is the table. So we have a table. Say 01 is employee name, number 02, 03. Say Hari, Hemant, Pawan. So we are in 2020. So assume 2020/07 July and 2021/07. Two salary dates. So it's going to be say 25,000, comma say 30,000. Okay, there are two occurrences. Okay. Now, how will you refer? So this is in the as far as the subscript or occurrence is concerned. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Employee ID 100,000, 2,000, 3,000. So this is how it stores in a table. Okay. So employee ID of 1 is 1,000. What is Hemant? How do you refer to Hemant record? Employee name of 2. But entire record is employee table. Okay, employee table of 1, employee table of 2, employee table of 3. If you just want Hemant name, is going to be employee name of 2. If you want ID of 1, is going to be employee ID of 3. Now what happens? But if you go to year and salary, this year they are having 25,000. So next year, same month, they are having 30,000 as salary. So how do you refer to 25,000?
Employee salary of 1,1.
That's correct. Employee salary 1,1. What about this one?
1,2.
1,2. See, 1 will never change. The first subscript is going to be the row number. Okay, next one is going to be the subdivision in the same row. Okay, similarly, for example, Hemant's first row is going to be y by mm 2,1. This is going to be y by mm 2,2. Similarly, here this is going to be 3,1, 3,2. If you want, so this is going to be 1,1. This is going to ID of 1, name of 1, ID of 2, name of 2, ID of 3, name of 3, and y by mm 1,1, 1,2, 1,1, 2,1, 2,2, 3,1, 3,2. Similarly, salary 1,1, 1,2, salary 2,1, 2,2, and salary 3,1, 3,2. So this is nothing but a 2-dimension table. Little confusing, and we never use in projects nowadays. I have seen up to 4-dimension. I think 3 or 4-dimension. It's very complex. See, all these programs we didn't write in the last 20-30 years. The program I have seen, I think I saw one 3-dimension table program. It was written by in 80s or 90s. Okay, 90s or 90s, and I have to happen to change the program. But it's very rare. Only once I have seen 2-dimension, 3-dimension program, and 2D also is very rare. And I asked it to discuss array itself is little rare. Okay, and don't write with arrays unless it is required. And remember, we cannot go for 2-dimension unless it is required, because it will be little complex to understand by others. A program should be easy to understand. We cannot write a complex program. Now tell me, what is the total number of bytes of
396.
storage? Oh, already you calculated. Can you tell me how it is 396?
5 times of 525, sir. 25 above month to 27, and salary peak 4. 27 plus 4. Sorry, salary 6, sir.
Then
33 to 12 times, na, sir. 33 12 396.
So what the Tarun is saying, 396. Anyone agrees or disagrees? What he says, deduction 5 times. So 5 into 5, 25. And he's adding 25 plus 2, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. So 33 into 12, some 396. Is it correct? So others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
2D table is little, never used. Okay, because even if you write a program 2D table, after 3 months you see, you will never understand. Identify which of these are correct declaration. Answer is 1 and 2. So what? 2. Any 2 is correct. Tell me which is correct. A little easy. It looks like okay. We can have value for 0 1
2 and
variable.
4.
We can have value for 0 1 variable is allowed. Okay, Tarun is saying 2 and 4. Any other answer? So others?
Yes, sir. 2 and 4.
Don't follow.
No, sir. For 1 and 3, there is no byte storage, sir.
1 and 3 we have storage. Pick x of 3, pick x of 2.
And that is inside most.
I told value. See, it's a group variable. It's a group variable. That's a group variable. I am little confused. Let's try to see the output. But this one is correct. 2 is correct.
Maybe 3 or 4, sir.
4 is not correct.
So 1 and 3.
2 is correct. I think 1 and 2 are correct. I told value can be given in 0 1. See here, we are giving value here as well as value here. If we give a different
There is
value
no
here,
picture class.
if we give a different value, what is going to happen? It is going to negate, right? System will get confused. So if we give value here, we cannot use value here. This one is okay. And here why we cannot incorrect? Because picture class is not allowed in 0 1. We already told you picture class is not allowed in group variable. Value class is allowed. So this one is correct, which is regular. But here this one and this one is incorrect because value class there will be a contrary. Okay, there will be a conflict. If you are giving say like this, value like this. Here you are giving ABC. Which one system will take? System get confused. So answer is going to be 1 and 2. So I think question is not full. Okay, it has how many bytes does this occupy and how many bytes does this occupy? How many bytes does 9.99 occupy? How many bytes does 9b99 occupy?
4 and 3.
That's good because dot is also an alphanumeric. It's an edited variable. Okay, it's edited. This one b is implied in the program. Which of the following is an incorrect specification for a data name? I mean variable name. In working storage section, which variable cannot be given? In working storage, you are saying all. Why?
Because all means taking everything. Like there will be any keyword like that.
No. What is the answer? Which of the following is an incorrect specification for data name? See, this is how they will ask. Data name means what? It's a field variable in working storage section. Can you give var1? Niroj, can you give var1?
No, sir.
We can give. Who told no? We can give. Okay. Bhargavi, data1. Can you give a variable called data1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's correct. Can you give 2 as variable name? 2 also is a
Yes.
variable. Can you give all as a variable name? We can't give because
Yes,
all
it's
is
keyboard, sir.
all is a keyword. Do you remember where we used?
Search all.
Select all.
See, select all.
Search all.
Binary
Search all.
search.
That's
Binary
good.
search.
Search all.
In
Search all.
SQL.
And we used inspect also. So inspect field name variable. I mean replacing all by right. Or replacing a by a. Okay. We use in search all. Okay, that's good. What is the result of following? Move 1 to var 1, move 2 to var 2. Evaluate true. When var 1 equal to 1, perform para 1. When var 2 equal to 2, perform para 2. When other, display var 1. Little confusing, right? It's not tough.
Para 1 be performed.
It's in fact easy.
1 and 2.
C, sir.
1, yes, sir.
Both will perform. A and B option C, sir.
C.
Sir, both.
See how I don't know why.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
What happens? See when you evaluate how it works, when it comes inside, it is going to check whether when condition is
When it
satisfied.
comes,
When it satisfies one when condition, it executes all the statements under the when condition, comes out of the loop. So
Yeah,
since var 1 equal to 1, it is going to perform para 1 and comes out of end evaluate. So only this will get executed. It's a very common interview question. You understand? It is not going to execute everything. If it's going to execute para 1, para 2, it's going to display var 1 also. Okay, it is not going to execute everything. Everything is like if else, if else. We use evaluate just to replace nested ifs. Okay, only one when condition is going to satisfy in the enter evaluate. I mean the first when which satisfies. You understand? Okay, what about now? Move 0 to var 1. Evaluate true. When var 1 equal to 1, perform para 1. Var 1 equal to 2, perform para 2. End evaluate.
None of the above.
Not the above.
None of the because nothing is satisfied, so it doesn't understand anything. Program ID is compulsory or not? True or false?
True.
Answer is true. A numeric literal in Cobol can have how many digits? Maximum
18. 9 up to.
18 is the answer. 9 of 18. Which are the following? Okay.
Start. Incident.
Okay, start is a command I didn't teach. Answer is insert. Tomorrow, remember me, I will introduce start with one program. So all these are a little confusing. You can try this. This is also one way, but it's a little confusing. I'll give it to you as a homework. Oh, this one you can just try. Four variables are defined like this. On executing, divide var 1 into var 2. See, var 1 into means var 1 by var 2. You would have studied divide a by b. Okay, so into means var 2 by var 1. Okay, into means var 2 by var 1. But we used a by b.
B, sir, answer.
Answer is
Sir,
B.
B, sir.
B.
BB.
var 1 into var 2.
10 by 3.
No, remainder is going to be 4. Okay, 3. That's good. Okay, a by b. Oh, that is the right answer. That's correct. A Cobol program will give a compile error of the following statement: add 10 to var1 if var1 is not initialized to 0, if var1 has a picture class 999v9, var1 is declared in file section and not the working storage section, if var1 has a picture class zzz9.
I think B, sir.
You think? Why do you think?
B means there is no decimal, sir. 10.0. 10.0 is only 10.
So Pawan says D, some people says B. In fact, B is in fact correct. It will not give any compile error. Answer is D because ZZ is alphanumeric. Okay, when you are editing a picture class, it is not. We cannot use it for computation. When you use for computation like add, subtract, multiply, divide, or compute statement, it is going to fail. So this is going to be this is going to not work. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still a long way to go right? We thought Cobol questions will be easy. Okay, which of the following is correct about level number 15? Level number 15. We didn't use, but we can use. Even 01 can have 15 also at here also. So we have 15. We can have 15 anywhere. We can have 15 here. This can be 20. Anything 35. We can use till 49. Which of the following is correct about level number 15? Must have picture class. May describe a group or an elementary item. Must always appear in file section. Must always describe an elementary item.
B.
B. Group item.
Need not have picture class. May describe a group or elementary item. I think this is correct. This is all these are little. Not a good question. Which of the following is correct? Add A, B giving C, D. Add A to B giving C. Add A to B, C, 2D. Add A, B to C, D giving E, F. So all these are only one of these is incorrect.
B.
Incorrect. Is
Only
correct
one.
answer, sir.
Oh, only one of this is correct. Okay, then it's going to
B
be
correct.
B.
what?
B.
B, sir. Option B.
B is easy because we saw B already, right? Add A to B giving C. Okay. Which of the following is true about 88 level entry? It is used for individual data items in working storage section. Individual data items means elementary variable.
Option C, sir.
C, sir.
It is used for condition. Okay, it's an easy question only. Okay, which is true about the file, which is referenced in a delete statement. It must be open in IO mode, input mode, output mode. Forget about it.
Yeah.
It's going to be
IO mode.
the symbol V in a picture class stands for decimal point between two consecutive digits and is counted for in the field size.
Not counted.
Not counted.
B.
Okay. Picture class stands for a decimal point between two consecutive digits. It's not counted. It's quite confusing. Let's see this. Two data names, var1 and var2, have 9 of 5, zz, zz9 for the specification. var1 at one point contains value 8. And the statement move var1 to var2 will result in following value for var2. Which is correct?
B, sir.
C, sir.
Option C, sir.
So audience poll. Audience poll is C. So we are moving 48 means 48 ZZ comma ZZ9. So this will be 48. And all these will be blank, including comma. So that will be including comma, there are 4 comma, 4 blank. So it's going to be B, 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 B. 4 blanks and 48. Okay, this is how it works. See, you have to just think and answer, that's all. The data name picture var1 has the following file section entry 05 var1 pick x of 25. The result of the statement move space to var1 would be to move space to all bytes of var1, move a single space to the first byte of var1, leaving others unchanged, move a single space to the last byte, none of the above. It's an easy question, but it's just think and answer. It's very easy.
Think C, sir.
Font says C. So I told either space or spaces means it doesn't mean space means not. It doesn't mean single space. I told space or spaces means it is going to move spaces to all the data.
Yeah.
So the answer is only A.
Yes.
It could be
It
1
will
lakh also.
overwrite.
It will be 1 lakh also. You understand? It will be 1 lakh also. If you move space to var1, entire 1 lakh bytes is going to be filled with space. It doesn't mean only one space. Space or spaces, both are same. Okay, let's see this. Data names var1, var2, var3 and var4 have the following definition working story section. But what is the question? Pick 9 minus 9 plus 9 CR 9 dB.
Question is
Actually, answer is question is here. Data names var1, var2, var3, var4 are defined like this. The statement move minus 8. See, can move multiple values in like this. Move minus 8 to var1, var2, var3, var4 will produce the following bytes in var1, var2, var3, var4 respectively. Which of these are the right answers? You are moving minus 8 to all these.
C, sir.
Saying C. Very quickly.
Sir, C, sir.
See, sir.
So answer is
C.
Answer is C. If you are moving minus 8, it is going to show my 8 minus. Minus 8 means 8 minus. Minus 8 means 8 CR. Minus 8 means 8 dB. So answer is C. So all are similar one. I'm just going to quickly. What does initialize verb do? Initialize alphanumeric to spaces, numeric variable to zeros. Don't touch filler values. All of the above.
Don't touch filler.
don't touch filler values.
And one person showed all of the above. We discussed only today,
Yes, sir. All of the above.
and you are having short-term memory loss. In this age, short-term memory loss is too dangerous. Okay, this one already we discussed. Copybook we did. All these are very simple. Joblib and steplib we have never used. For binary search in a program, the table must be sorted on ascending or descending, must not be sorted.
Option B, sir.
Option B, sir.
Option B, that's correct. What should be done before using a serial search in a program? Index is set to 0.
Set to 1.
Set to 1.
1.
That's good. In a subprogram, the variables received from calling program are defined in which section? Defined in a subprogram. Can conditional names have picture class? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
Conditional
No,
names
sir.
can have only values. No picture class. Some of these questions may come.